Hi guys, welcome to Beauty and Home Life. Today I'm talking about 20 multi-purpose oils can use to get glow and their benefits in description. Before starting video, I wanna tell you something. This mini facial oils kit are available at Beauty and Home Life online store. If you are interested to purchase an online, do check through link is given in description. Let's get into the video. Black seed oil, olive oil, mustard oil, almond oil, saffron oil, aloeveraoil, carrotoil, mint oil, rosehip oil, flaxseed oil, neem oil, gingellyoil, hibiscus oil, basiloil, rose oil, lotusoil, herbal oil, pomegranateoil, coconutoil, aloeveraoil, and vitamin E capsule. You can mix vitamin E capsule with any your favorite oil. And the oils are so natural, you can be used for your skin and hair massage. Actually, it be eaten. You can simply drop into your mouth and receive the benefits of oils from the inside out, or add it to your salads, dressing, or smoothies. And also can remove your makeup. Just simply rub your favorite oil between your hands to warm it up into a liquid. Then massage onto your face like you would a cleanser and give you a gentle wipe out with warm cloth. We also have different oils like beetroot, grapeseed oil, potato oil and more oils. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notification. For more information, check the description. Thanks for watching.